Hey, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartenderteas.com, here to demonstrate how to make an apple martini or Appletini. First, you'll take your shaker, add some ice. And so the ingredients are vodka, apple schnapps or apple pucker, and I'll do a splash of sweet and sour. Some bartenders won't do that. That's how I like to make it. So it's 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce of apple pucker or sour apple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I said, I'll do a splash of sweet and sour. Now this drink was invented in 1996 by a bartender named Adam at Lola's in West Hollywood. And it became so popular that there were lines out the door for this place. But now you'll find this on drink menus all over the country, all over the world. So shake it, get it nice and cold. Sorry if it's right into the mic. Try not to do that. Now I put some ice and some water in my martini glass to chill it. If you have time, that's a nice thing to do. Or if you keep them in a cooler and the glass is nice and cold, pour it in. That's a nice green color. You see the ice crystals. It's a nice cold cocktail. The garnish is a cherry. If you work in a business that has apples, then you can do an apple slice on there. But I don't have any apple slices, so I'll drop a cherry in there. And that looks good. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartenderteas.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartenderteas.com. We carry a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, hats, sweatshirts, and hoodies, and other accessories. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.